Hey, what's up guys, this is Unique Vid and thank you for coming back. So I promised you guys I was going to teach you how to design on Canva. You know, those people that want to promote their business, that want to advertise to people, those people that want to design birthday presents and the rest. I've invited Ruchi here to teach us how to design Canva. She's actually a good designer. She's a professional in the game, and so I invited her to show us very quick on how to design it. I believe by the end of this video you will all be good and masters of Canva. And then she said she's going to also introduce a particular Canva application after this video. She said she'll be dropping it next, and you guys should anticipate that video also. So for now, Ruchi.
Hi. You're welcome. Good day. I'm very happy to teach you what I know about designs, teach you how to easily make designs by yourself using just your mobile phones. These are designs you can equally do with your laptops and your desktops if you have them. But then in the absence of those, you could still use your phone to make a perfect design for yourself. These designs are designs that on a normal day, you should be paying for them. Be paying people that actually know how to do them to design for you. But with this video, I hope you would learn how to make these designs yourself so that subsequently when you need designs for your business or whatever you want to do, birthday and all that for your friends, you'd be able to organize a very beautiful flyer or video for them very easily. Now we'll be using online tools to design, and I'll be teaching you how to use Canva to design, and there's some other online tool that is not very well known that I'll be teaching you about. Just hang on. So first of all, I'll start with Canva. Now Canva, you can use the website, and you can equally download the app from either your Play Store or your Apple Store. So here's my Canva app. Clicking on my Canva apps, it takes you, okay, if you don't have a Canva app yet, it will take you to a page that you have to register. So registration wouldn't be anything for you because you just have to follow the instructions and register on an account, so that even if you should not be with your phone, you will be able to log in your account on some other phone that is available, and all your designs will be in display for you. If you look here now, you would see that we have a lot of templates that we can easily redesign from, that can help us to do a simple design without even wasting our time. And at the same time, you can also start from scratch and do your own idea if you feel you have something in your head that you would want to do that you've not found here. So these are very beautiful designs that I could easily redesign with. They are all movable and you can do anything with them. Now these are under projects. Under projects, now you would see that I have the recent projects I've done. I've done some slides, some presentation slides, and some designs. You'd see them. So these are the designs for slideshows that I've done. These are all of it. You understand? So now scrolling forward, I'm just showing you images that I've used to design before, and you can also still use them. You can still use them to design because they are available for you to use. So now let's move to creating a project, or let's move to discovering what each tool can be used for. Now this is for Instagram posts. They've made it easier for you that you can easily just search to create that an Instagram post, a Facebook post, or you just want to do anything. You want to do even presentation slides. Presentation slides are available, readily made presentation slides. You just need to edit them. Is that not beautiful? Okay, now let's say we need to make an Instagram post, and this is for Instagram post and this is for Instagram stories. You see the sizes, because if you use a size that is not recommended for your Instagram post, you know that Instagram will have to crop it up for you. So let's start with picking up a design. Let me pick up this. Okay, so we said we're going to make a design. You click on the image that you want to redesign. If you click on any image that you fancy, that might give you what you actually want to derive, what you actually want to get. So this is an already made template, as you can see. Somebody already made it. But then I'm not selling furniture. Take for instance, I'm selling shoes or I'm selling bag. All I have to do is to click on the text, and you can easily rewrite and edit it. You just need to type whatever you want to type. See, type whatever you want to type, and it's giving you what you want. Very simple and direct. This image also is movable. Just touch the image and you can move it around. You can even import your image and put in it. Now let's see the features that have to do with Canva. Now if you look at below the page, you'd see where they say replace. This replace now is coming up because I clicked on this image. So if I want to replace this image to some other image that is in my gallery, all I need to do is to click the replace. You see where the color is. If I want to change the color of the picture, you see effects. Clicking on effects now, you see effect that I can apply to the picture. You see, we're going to explore all that. And then if I want to animate the picture, I can easily do that using any of these animations. And then further to adjust, you see the brightness, the contrast, saturation, tilt, blur, whatever you want to do. You see transparency. I can reduce the transparency of this thing and I can increase it. Just need to move it forth and back to your taste. Now, and when designing, you should make sure you don't use more than 3 different type of text type on your design, so the design doesn't look too packed up. Don't make it look too packed up. Give it breathing space. Let the design be free. Let it flow. Don't try to overdo things, because at the end of the day, you have a bad design. Now, for starters, I would advise you start with templates. You can design on your own from scratch, but you would learn with templates, because when you see templates, you know that, okay, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible. See, I can move that. See, just click on it. Once you touch it, then you can move it. I can move that. I can move this also. I can move whatever I want to move. I can actually move it all and re-edit and rechange whatever I want to change. Now, this is a blank page. Now, I didn't click on any image. I didn't do anything. And you see a plus sign. And you can read. You can add text, photos, and graphics to your design. Clicking on this plus sign now will give you this page. When you come to this page, looking under beneath, you would see elements. These elements are shapes. If you want to add a circle, an arrow, a shape, whatever you want to do. And look at these beautiful templates. Wow. Look at these beautiful templates that you can just re-edit, and you have a very, oh my. And this thing has made it very easy for you. Very, very easy. Now let's click on the elements. Clicking on the elements now will take us to these shapes. You see, these are some of the things I recently used. These are the pictures I recently used, the shapes I recently used. These are graphics. Look at stickers also. Look at stickers. Look at photos. Look at charts. Look at charts that you can also import to your picture. Look at tables. If you need tables when you are designing, maybe you're doing a presentation slide and you need tables. These are tables that are easy for you. Now, this is something else. This thing you're seeing, this thing and this thing. What it's used for is for like reshaping images. Let me import one. Just let me click on the circle and bring it in. You see, we have this. You know what this is used for? If I'm supposed to put an image to this picture, let me select an image. You can see this image. It is on its own. It's a square. You get, and probably I want it in a circular shape. All I need to do is, after importing this circle, just bring the image. Click on the image. Click on the image and drag it to the front of the circle, and it's already in the circle. You can even move it around on its own. Look at, it's already inside of it. That's the beautiful thing about Canva, and there's so many other lovely things we're going to learn. Let's move forward. And now, coming to this, you see camera roll. Camera roll now is taking you to allow access to all photos or select some photos. These are my pictures. Camera rolls now is taking you to your pictures. You can import the pictures on your phone. to use, just in case you have your own picture that you want to use. Now this upload now is for uploading files. You see, these pictures are things that I uploaded on my own. If I want to bring in a picture, all I need to do is to put an upload file, and now it's going to tell me to either go to my library to take from my file, or to take a picture or a video right now, and I can choose or select whichever one I want to use and place it on my design, just in case I have a video already waiting for me or a picture already waiting for me and my design. Now this is your text. This is your text, depending on what you want to do. Do you want to say happy birthday? You want to say thank you? You want to do a promo sale? Look at, it's already written in the manner that you would not even really need to stress yourself. See, look at the text size, the text style. It's already making everything so easy for you. You see, it's not difficult. It's just, you just have to put your mind to it and settle down and try to do something that you actually know that if you had paid money to be given to someone to deliver a design to you, you would have accepted it. If the person designs whatever you're going to design, just put your mind to it and quietly follow it. Now I'm showing you the features that are in Canva, and remember I told you that there's another site I'm going to introduce you to. Canva is quite popular, but that site is not very popular yet, but it's very nice and you're going to really enjoy using it also. Now these are my projects. These are the projects I've worked on initially. You see this that we're working on now, it's already appeared as my project because I'm working on it. Now look at this tax report for the month of October. That was a report that I did. It was like a presentation slide. Okay, let me open it so you see. So these are my slides. You see, and you can present it on just like a PowerPoint. If you're doing a presentation, you can present it like a PowerPoint, and the slides keeps coming and moving from one slide to another. Now this is photo. I can pick from any of these photos. These photos are not on my phone, they are on Canva. So if you need photos for whatever, for food, just type food and search for it, and you see photos of food will come up. If you need photos for shoe, just type in shoe and you see photos for shoes will come up. See, very beautiful. If you need sandals, type in sandals, photos for sandals will come up. You see, very easy. You don't even need to stress yourself. These things are not on your phone. They're not on my phone right now. They are on the Canva app, so it's on your phone if you should log in your Canva app. Now this is the styles. These styles are used to change the entire picture in your design. Maybe you had blue, pink, because some people don't know how to use color combinations. You don't know how to use color combinations. So this style will help you change the color to a much more acceptable color. Let's say you're mixing two colors that are not supposed to be. Now these colors now are going to help you to mix. If I should click on this color, you see everything on my design will change to this color. If I should click on this, everything on my design will change to that. If I should click on this, everything on my design will change to that also. So just like that continuously, so it will give you a beautiful color without color riots, and you'll be doing the right thing. Now this is for background. I can change my background picture from here. I can use these templates as my background pictures. You see them? You see that? See how beautiful it is. I can use these templates for my background pictures and more. These pixels now are just pictures also. They are pictures that you can also include when designing your Canva. Canva is very easy. It is very easy and sweet. You just need to settle down. Just settle down and you would enjoy it. In fact, when I do designs, I actually enjoy it. And if you enjoy what you're doing, you would give a very, very positive response. You will give something very beautiful if you should enjoy what you're doing. So just flow with it, flow with the color, flow with the design. You would see that they will all turn out to be very beautiful. Now going back to our design, you see that I told you initially that you can change this text, you can move this here, you can move these pictures also. You can move the picture to this side, you can move this picture to this side. You can even crop it also. You can crop it, you can move this picture to this side. And you see, very beautiful. At the end of the day, you just need to download. See the download button up. You download and you have a beautiful picture a beautiful design. You could make better presents for your friend as designs. You could make for your business, advertise your product, put in your shoes, your bags, whatever you sell and you want to advertise, and at the end of the day you have a beautiful design. Okay, I'm not going to be making a design plainly on here, but I will in the next website I'm going to introduce to you now. I'll make a design there so that you would understand how this thing works. So for now, I'm just going to stop here on Canva. I believe Canva is very, very self-explanatory. You just need to just find your way around it.